If you feel like you work, you get paid, and the money disappears as if it never existed, this video is for you. Because it doesn't matter how much you earn, if you don't know how to manage your money, you will always feel broke. And today I'm going to show you a rule so simple, so powerful, that it can literally change your financial life, without becoming an expert, without complicated formulas, and without giving up enjoying your money. Stay until the end, because many people use this rule the wrong way, and that's why they stay in debt, even though they think they're doing everything right. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a smart way to divide your money so you never lose control again. It's not magic, it's not a quick trick, it's a system. And systems work even when you have no motivation. The rule goes like this: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for your future. That's simple and that powerful. The 50%, where life slips away without you noticing. 50% of your money is for the basics: rent, food, utilities, transportation, everything you need to live. This is where most people fail, because they think a need is anything they don't want to give up. But it's not. Netflix, daily delivery, clothes you don't need are not necessities. If this 50% gets out of control, it doesn't matter how much you earn, you'll always be drowning. And tell me, be honest with yourself. Has your 50% already eaten up 80% of your income? The common mistake that's stealing your future. Many people say, when I earn more, I'll save. That's a lie. If you can't manage a little, you won't manage a lot. The problem isn't the money, it's the disorder. And this rule exists to bring order, first to your mind and then to your bank account. The 30%. Enjoy without guilt, but with control. This is your enjoyment money. Going out, travel, treats, small pleasures. And listen carefully to this. If you don't enjoy your money, you'll eventually quit everything. That's why this rule works. It doesn't say live like you're poor, it says live intelligently. The problem appears when you spend this 30% as if it were unlimited. This is where you must choose. Either you spend with intention or you spend on impulse. And impulse always wins when there are no rules. The I deserve it trap. We all say it. I deserve it. But if you deserve it today, why does your future self have to pay the consequences? Enjoying isn't destroying yourself. Enjoying is planning. The 20%. This is where freedom is built. This is the most important percentage. The 20% is non-negotiable. It's for saving, investing, paying off debt, and building an emergency fund. This money is not touched. Because this money is what will save you when something goes wrong. And believe me, something always goes wrong. If you're not saving anything today, it's not because you can't, it's because you're not prioritizing it. What no one tells you about saving. Saving is not what's left over. Saving is paying yourself first. If you wait until the end of the month, there will never be anything left. This 20% should be set aside the moment you receive your money, as if it were a mandatory bill, because your future also pays rent. What if you don't earn much? If you earn little, this rule is even more important. Don't ignore it, adjust it. Maybe today it's 60-30-10, but what matters is building the habit. The habit leads to the result, not the other way around. How to start today? No excuses. Step 1. Write down what you earn. Step 2. Divide that money into 50, 30, and 20. Step 3. Adjust your life to those numbers, not the other way around. It's uncomfortable at first, but freeing later. If you keep spending without control, the problem isn't the system, it's you. But if today you decide to change, even a little, even slowly, your financial life can look completely different in 1 year. Don't wait to earn more. Start managing better what you already have. And if this video made you think, then it already worked.